The book, Self-Discipline in 60 Minutes, by William Jacobson is a quick-read guide to building self-discipline through a series of simple habits. Here is a step-by-step summary script that breaks down the key concepts from the book. Introduction: The power of self-discipline. The problem: do you feel overwhelmed by your thoughts, struggle to follow through on daily tasks, or get stuck in a cycle of procrastination? Many of us do. This is what the book calls undisciplined living. The solution: the key to a life of achievement and happiness isn't always about having more opportunities or resources. The single most important factor for success is self-discipline. This book provides a roadmap to help you build powerful self-discipline habits in a short amount of time. Step 1. Set clear goals. Be specific. Instead of a vague goal like, get healthy, make it concrete. I will walk for 30 minutes every morning at 7 a.m. for the next month. Write it down. The act of writing your goals on paper makes them more real and solidifies your commitment. Place them where you can see them daily. Connect to your why. Why is this goal important to you? Is it for better health, a new career, or personal growth? Understanding your motivation is crucial for staying disciplined. Step 2. Cultivate a positive mindset. Identify your inner critic. Pay attention to the negative self-talk that holds you back. The book suggests that these thoughts are often just noise. Practice positive affirmations. Simple phrases like, I am capable, or I can handle this challenge, can help reframe your thinking. The key is to genuinely believe them. Visualize success. Spend a few minutes each day imagining yourself achieving your goals. See the feeling of accomplishment and the positive outcomes. This helps train your brain to work toward that reality. Step 3. Organize your environment. Physical space. A clean desk or room reduces visual distractions and helps you focus. The book suggests that this cleansing process also helps clear your mind. Digital space. Declutter your computer desktop, organize your files, and unsubscribe from distracting emails. A tidy digital environment is just as important as a tidy physical one. Make your environment work for you. If you want to exercise more, lay out your workout clothes the night before. If you want to read more, put a book on your bedside table. This makes it easier to follow through. Step 4. Establish a routine. Morning routine. The book highlights the power of a disciplined morning routine. Start your day with activities that align with your goals, like meditation, exercise, or planning your day. This sets a positive tone. Daily schedule. Use a planner or a digital calendar to block out time for important tasks. This prevents you from aimlessly drifting through your day. Build in buffer time. Don't schedule your day back to back. Leave time for unexpected tasks or to simply rest and recharge. Step 5. Develop positive habits. The 2-minute rule. If a task takes less than 2 minutes, do it immediately. This prevents small tasks from piling up and becoming overwhelming. The habit loop. Understand the cycle of a habit: trigger, routine, and reward. To build a new habit, you can change the routine. For example, the cue is coming home from work, the old routine is sitting on the couch, and the new routine is going for a walk. The reward is a feeling of accomplishment and better health. Consistency over intensity. It's better to do a small task consistently every day than a huge task once and then give up. For example, 5 minutes of daily reading is more effective than trying to read an entire book in one sitting. Step 6. Stay motivated. Track your progress. Keep a journal or a digital tracker of your accomplishments. Seeing how far you've come can be a powerful motivator. Reward yourself. Acknowledge your small wins. After a productive week, treat yourself to a movie or a nice meal. The reward reinforces the positive behavior. Surround yourself with supportive people. Spend time with people who encourage your goals and hold you accountable. Their positive energy can be contagious and help you stay on track. Step 7. Embrace failure. Failure isn't the end. The greatest threat to success isn't failure itself, but how you react to it. The book encourages you to view setbacks not as personal shortcomings, but as chances to learn and grow. Lessons from the best. Remember that even the most successful people have failed. Embracing this reality and learning from your mistakes is a crucial part of the self-discipline journey. Conclusion. By following these 7 simple steps, setting clear goals, cultivating a positive mindset, organizing your environment and time, developing positive habits, staying motivated, and embracing failure, you can build unstoppable self-discipline and achieve your dreams.